Hello, I am John Paul Elliott III, and I have been called, yes, as the founder of nicetoFeelLoveNow.com. Okay? Here's one of the problems that education is given. If you go to our website, you'll learn more about all of our different educational training that we have for everybody, for all of our kids. Teach them how to be nice. One of the things they didn't teach us in school, which is we're going to provide this with our 10 lesson plans, because this kind of gets kids' mind moving. Everybody's got to breathe. I take it for granted, but how about if you can really feel it go in? And this is what this does. Wait a second. Oh, that sounded good. Now, when you bring it in, you got to get it out. So here's the out. Here's the out. So it goes like this. You can feel those vibrations going through you. Pretty cool. Great way to wake up the consciousness of air inside you. Try it out.